Hi, it's Danielle with RV Liquidation Center. We're going to take a look at a Wolf Pup 16FQ. Okay, so we're in the 16FQ Wolf Pup. This travel trailer is a lightweight travel trailer geared towards smaller tow vehicles. What's nice about it is you do have your front queen bed. It is a walk-around queen bed. You have ports on both sides of the bed for USB ports and also for your standard plugs. Both sides have storage and push-button LED lights. You also have storage above the bed here, and then you have storage underneath as well. So you have a large storage area there. Both sides you're going to have windows, so you have your emergency exit to the left, and then on the right side you do have a window that does go up, so you can have a nice cross breeze going across. To our right is going to be our kitchen area. You do have a good amount of counter space for this size of a trailer. Your sink, your 2-burner stove, your microwave here, and then also your light and range fan there. More storage above your sink, along with your push button LED lights. On our left side is going to be your dinette area. It does also have your power plug in here with your USB ports, and then your blackout shades that just go up like that. So if you're at the beach, mountains, you can sit here with your window open, have a nice view, eat breakfast, dinner. Above us is going to be more storage. And then we have our radio here. In this one, the TV does go on this back wall, so it is already set up for a TV. And then your hookups are going to be right above there. Okay, this trailer does have the large double door refrigerator. Usually in this size of a travel trailer, you're going to have that small all-in-one refrigerator, but you actually have the freezer and the refrigerator. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So in this bathroom, you do have a nice tub, and you do have the skylight. So if you're a little on the taller side, you have extra headroom to fit into this shower. Above us is going to be your fan to ventilate, and then your light switch here, and your medicine cabinet on the right side here. And then you do have a sink in the bathroom on this one. Brush your teeth, wash your hands. A lot of floor plans this size do not have 2 sinks. You'll have just 1 sink to do everything. Okay, so here we are on the outside. You are going to have hookups for a TV on the outside on this one with your outdoor speakers. And then your cable hookup and power hookup, everything's right here. Above us is going to be your power awning with your LED light strip, and it's all just push of a button. Let's take a look back here. This model does come with a spare tire and rack, and you also can put another rack if you want to have extra storage on the back. Over here is going to be where your dump station is located, so easy access to your dumping area when you hook up to a RV park. You have your 30-amp power cord hookup here, along with your cable hookup here. Moving along this way is going to be your outside shower. It does have hot and cold water in this outside shower. So if you go to the beach, need to hose off, go to the mountains, kids need to wash their hands, easy accessible right here. Fresh water and city water connections are right next to your outside shower. Moving up here is going to be the back of your hot water heater. And then all the way up in the front here is going to be your propane tank, a 5-gallon propane tank. And that is where your battery goes in the front, which is included on all of our cells. Over here is going to be your storage area. So you do have a nice storage area. It does come with your power cord, and it is a holder here for your stab jacks. Right here is going to be your hookup for your solar charger. So it does it's already pre-wired. All you need to do is get the ground mount solar, and then you have your solar charger. Thank you for viewing the Wolf Pup 16FQ.